भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां शुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। We are in the 23rd Karika, page number 162. In Bhashya, last line. So question was raised between Gauna and Mukhyartha. Mukhyartha should be the Shabdartha. Shabdartha Pratipatti should be Mukhya. Siddhanti says na. So the example was given about the Simho Manavaka. So that Manavaka is somebody who is referred to regularly as Simha, but still he is really not a Simha. Only the word is used, or Manavaka as Agnihi. So you don't use him for Shita Nivritti. And 13 number Tippani we saw Mukhya Srishti Angikare Api. We are on page number 162 in Tika, 4th line from the bottom. Mukhya Srishti Angikare Api Satya Srishti hi na siddhyati. Mukhya Srishti, 13 number Tippani says Bhuri Prayoga Vishayatvam Mukhyatvam iti abhipraya. So Bhuri Prayoga means something which is used more number of times regularly, then that is called Mukhya Artha. Like Akasha. Akasha is Mukhya Artha because it is used in Bhutakasha most of the time. Akasha also can have some other meaning, but that is different. But most of the time it is used in Mahabhuta Akasha, Pancha Mahabhuta. So that Bhuri Prayoga Vishayatvam. Bhuri means more number of times or maximum number of times, that is called mukhyatvam iti abhiprayah. See further in Tika. लौकिकानां second last line, लौकिकानां मुख्य सृष्टेः सत्य सृष्टित्वेन प्रसिद्धत्वे अपि फलाभावात् न तत्र श्रुति तात्पर्यम् इत्याह. लौकिकानां मुख्य सृष्टेः सत्य सृष्टि. For laukika people, this srishti, what we experience, they say this is the main meaning of the word srishti, creation, and it is satya srishti. This is real. Satya srishtittvena prasiddhatve api, but there is no phalam. Phala abhavat na tatra shruti tatparyam. There is no shruti tatparyam in it. Ityaha nishprayojanatvat cha iti. So this is nishprayojanam. Nishprayojanam is the srishti. Now you see in Bhashya. अन्यथा सृष्टेः अप्रसिद्धत्वान् निष्प्रयोजनत्वाच्च इति अवोचाम. सृष्टि is अप्रसिद्ध. सृष्टेः अप्रसिद्धत्वात् निष्प्रयोजनत्वाच्च इति अवोचाम. सृष्टि is अप्रसिद्ध and nishprayojana. Srishti otherwise is aprasiddha. Srishti otherwise is not prasiddha, has no prayojanam. Iti avochama. So, Srishti doesn't have any other prayojanam, and otherwise Srishti is also not known. In Tika, अन्यथा सृष्टेः अप्रसिद्धत्वम् एव स्पष्टयति. सृष्टि is अप्रसिद्ध, that is explained now. In Bhashya, अविद्या सृष्टि विषया एव सर्वा गौणी मुख्या च सृष्टिः न परमार्थतः. अविद्या सृष्टि विषया एव सर्वा सृष्टिः. अविद्या सृष्टि विषय means सृष्टि is avidyaka. सृष्टि is only because of ignorance. अविद्या विषयक. अविद्या सृष्टि विषया एव सर्वा गौणी मुख्या च सृष्टिः. Gauni Srishti, the secondary and the Mukhya Srishti, both of them are Avidya Srishti Vishaya. Avidya Srishti Vishaya, there is a Tippani which is missed in your book. Avidya Srishti Vishaya, Srishti should be Artha. You write down there. अविद्या अर्थ विषया एव सर्वा सृष्टि. That tippani is missing in books. So whether it is gauni srishti or mukhya srishti, it is avidya vishaya eva, na paramarthatah. टीका. gauni swapne rathadi srishti. He gives example. What is Gauni Srishti and what is Mukhya Srishti? Gauni Srishti is in Swapna Rathadi Srishti. Mukhya Srishti is Jagare Ghatadi Srishti. Ghatadi Srishti which is there in Jagrat Avastha is Mukhya. Mukhya means Vyavaharika, what is accepted by all. Both of these, sarvapi avidya avasthayam eva tasyam satyam. Both of them are true only in avidya avastha. Avidya avasthayam eva tasyam satyam eva bhavat na tattvadrishtya kapi srishtihi sambhavati. Tattvadrishtya kapi srishti न संभवति. No सृष्टि is possible through tattva drishti. So in reality, no srishti is possible. That is what is given. तथा भूतस्य स्वतः परतो वा वस्तुनो अन्यथा भाव संभवात् तदतिरेकेण च सृष्टेरयोगात् इत्यर्थः. तथा भूतस्य स्वतः परतो वा वस्तुनो अन्यथा भाव असंभवात्. सी टिप्पणी नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. तथा भूतस्य मीन्स मिथ्या भूतस्य, स्वतः मीन्स स्वरूपेण, परतः मीन्स कार्य रूपेण, स्वतः परतः वस्तुनः अविद्यात्मकस्य, वस्तु विच इज अविद्यात्मकस्य इत्यर्थः. अन्यथा भाव मीन्स सत्यत्व असंभवात्. स्वरूपेण सत्यत्व is not possible, कार्य रूपेण सत्यत्व is not possible of that which is mithya. This we saw earlier. In the second chapter, there was one Vartika, there was one Karika. स्वतः वा परतो वापि नात्म भावेन नानेदम न स्वेनापि कथंचन. न आत्म भावेन मीन्स स्वरूपेण, नाना इदम, न स्वेन अपि, not in its own swarupa. So not as atma, not as its swarupa. In this way, there is no nana. नानेदम न स्वेनापि कथंचन न पृथंग ना पृथक किंचित इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः. And now another karika is also going to come, where it is said that this Brahma Tattva swato va parato vapi na kinchid vastu jayate. So neither swataha any utpatti is possible nor parataha. So that is exactly what is given here in the tika. Swataha parato va vastunah anyatha bhava asambhavat तद अतिरेकेण च सृष्टि है अयोगादित्यर्थः. वस्तु स्वरूप आलोचनया वास्तव्याः सृष्टेः अश्लिष्टत्वे श्रुतिम अनुकूलयति. Seeing the nature of Atma, वस्तु स्वरूप आलोचनया वास्तव्याः सृष्टेः अश्लिष्टत्वे, the Vastavik Srishti is Ashlishta, means it is not possible, inappropriate actually. In that regard, he is showing the Shruti. Shrutim Anukulayati. Sabahyabhyantaro hi ajaha. This Paramatma Tattva is Sabahyabhyantaraha, that which is same inside as well as outside. So that which is inside and outside, where there is room for Shruti, there is no room for Srishti. Creation cannot come because inside and outside that same one Tattva is there. Sabahyabhyantaro hi ajaha. Tika. Srishter avidya vidyamanatvepi किं वस्तु विवक्षितम इति आशंक्य उत्तरार्धम विभजते. सृष्टेः अविद्या विद्यमानत्वे मीन्स अविद्यायां विद्यमानत्वे. सप्तमी यू विल हैव टू डू. सृष्टेः अविद्यायां विद्यमानत्वे अपि किं वस्तु विवक्षितम इति आशंक्य उत्तरार्धम विभजते. So Uttarardha is explained. Srishti is there only when there is avidya. Avidyayam srishtehe vidyamanatve. Kim vastu vivakshitam iti ashankya. So now Uttarardham. Uttarardha means second half is explained. Uttarardham vibhajate. Tasmat. तस्मात् श्रुत्या निश्चितं यदेकमेवाद्वितीयम् अजम् अमृतम् इति युक्ति युक्तं च. So by Shruti, what is Nishchitam? This is what he said. Nishchitam yukti yuktam cha. So Nishchitam is Ekameva Dvitiyam and Ajam Amritam. Ajaram Ajam Amritam. This is given in Brahadaranyaka. Yukti yuktam cha. This alone is yukti yuktam. In Tika, Niravayavattvam, Vibhutvam, this is all yukti. That which is Niravayava, without any parts. How can there be creation from it? Vibhu, infinite. How can there be creation from it? Similarly, Ajaha, that which is Aja means it is not Utpannam. Means it is not Karyam. That which is not Karyam cannot have Karanam. So you see, Sabahya Bhyantaraja means that which is inside and outside both the places. So then it cannot have Srishti anywhere, because everywhere Brahma alone is one. Ajaha means that which is not born. That which is not born, it itself is not an effect. If it is not an effect, it cannot be a cause. So that is done. Next one is that which is Niravayavam. Niravayava Vastu cannot be the cause. Yad yad karanam tat tat savayavam. Yad yad karyam tat tat savayavam. Vibhutvam. Vibhutva is infinite. So there also yat karanam tanna vibhu. These are all yuktis. Yuktya cha sampannam tad eva iti avochama purvaihi granthaihi. By the earlier text also, what is yuktya sampannam? That alone we have said. Tena advaitam eva shruti tatparya gamyam na dvaitam iti phalitamaha. And therefore, advaitam alone is shruti tatparya gamyam, not dvaitam. Dvaitam is not shruti tatparyam. Iti phalitamaha bhashya tadeva shrutyartho bhavati na itarat kadachidapi. That alone is shruti artha, not any other kadachidapi. In this way, 23rd Karika is over. Now further. Srishtehe mrishatva spashtikarana dvarena advaitameva shrutyarthataya nirdharayitum shrauta nishchayam eva vivrunoti. Srishtehe mrishatva spashtikarana dvarena. Srishti is mithya. By the spashtikarana dvarena advaitam eva shrutyarthataya nirdharayitum. Advaitam alone is the shruti artha. Shrutyarthataya nirdharayitum shrauta nishchayam. What is shruti nishchaya? Shrutau bhavaha shrauta. What is there in shruti is shrauta nishchaya. That is explained. Nehananeti chamnaya dindro maya virityapi ajajamano bahudha maya jayate tusah. Nehananeti chamnaya dindro maya virityapi. Nehanana iti cha amnayat. Through the amnaya, through the Vedas, nehanana iti. Nehananasti kinchana. Indro mayabhihi iti api. Indra This is another Shruti. So Nehanana means Nehananasti Kinchana. Indro Mayabihi Bahurupa Iyate. And Purusha Suktam Ajayamano Bahudha Vijayate. Maya. Ajayamano Bahudha Vijayate. So there you have to understand it is through Maya. If it is Ajayamana and if it is Jayate, only way it is possible if it is through Maya, not Anyatha. So Shruti has said clearly that there is no Nana. Indra means Paramatma through Maya, Avidya, becomes many. Bahurupa, Pururupa Iyate. Now somebody may say, you are just choosing only those Upanishad Vakyas which are appropriate for your Siddhanta. You just picked up Nehananasti Kinchana. You picked up Indro Mayabihi Pururupa Iyate. And you say, see, this is Shruti Nishchaya. We say, no. Earlier we took the Vakya of Srishti also. Mrulloha Visfulingadyehi, where Srishti Prakarana was there. But what did we say? Upaya Sovataraya. It is only Upaya. It is not a real message of the Shrutis. So here also we are explaining every possible aspect in Shruti and we are saying, look, where creation was there, it is only given as Upaya. Where Upasana is given, Upasana is for Manda Madhyama Adhikari, for that person to evolve, to come up to Advaita Jnanam, become ready for Jnanam through Upasana, then he will be given proper Upadesha, Mahavakya Upadesha. And if there is any Karmakanda Shruti, etc., then those Karmakanda also is for preparing the sadhaka. So all Vakyas, Veda Vakyas are taken into consideration and a proper conclusion is arrived at. Tika Akansham Pradarshya Shlokaksharaani Vyakaroti. So now, having explained the Karika through the Tika, now we enter into Bhashya. So in Bhashya there is Akanksha. Akansham Pradarshya Shlokaksharaani Vyakaroti. Shlokaksharas, their Vyakhya, it will be done by Bhashyakara now. Katham Shruti Nishchayaha Ityaha. How do you say this is Shruti Nishchaya? Katham Shruti Nishchayaha Ityaha. Tika. Tatra Adyapade Vyatirekam Darshayitva Punaha Anvaya Vyakhyanena Vyachashte. Adyapada is Nehananasti. That is Vyatireka. Means in the Prathama Pada, Srishti is negated. There is no Srishti. In Dvitiya Pada and Tritiya Chaturtha Pada, it is said Srishti is there but Maya. So first quotation says there is no creation. Second and third quotation says there is creation through Maya, through Avidya. So when it is negated, it is Vyatirekam. When it is said it is Srishti there, it is Anvaya. Adyapade Vyatirekam Darshayitva. Punaha Anvaya Vyakhyanena Vyachashte. Yadihi Bhutataha eva Srishtihi Syat. If the creation was Bhutataha, really speaking, if there was creation, tataha satyameva nana vastu iti tad abhava pradarshanartha amnayo nasyat. If Srishti was real, भूततः एव सृष्टि स्यात् यदि, then what would happen? ततः सत्यमेव नाना वस्तु इति. Then this plurality, द्वैतम, would be satyam. नाना वस्तु would be सत्यमेव. तद अभाव प्रदर्शनार्थः आम्नायो न स्यात्. There would not be any Shruti Vakya which would say Abhava of Srishti. Srishti Abhava would not have been said. But Srishti Abhava is said by this Vakya. Neha Nanasti Kinchana. And therefore, because Shruti Vakya is negating it, therefore it was not there before. So, tad abhav, this is the Arthapatti Pramana. If Satyameva Nana Vastu Syat, tad abhava pradarsanartha amnayo na syat. Tad abhava pradarsanartha amnaya asti. Tasmat Nana Vastu Satyam Nasti. If Devadatta was not eating at night, he would not be fat. I can see he is fat. Therefore, he must be eating at night. This is Arthapatti. The world Satyameva Nana Vastu. Nana Vastu would be Satyam. If its abhava pradarsanartha amnaya neha nanasti kinchana was not there. But abhava pradarsanartha amnaya is there. Neha nanasti kinchana amnaya is there. Therefore, nana vastu satyam is not there. Clear? Okay. Further in टीका, द्वैत भावश्चेत् प्रतिषिध्यते कथम तर्हि सृष्टि उपदिश्यते. If द्वैत भाव प्रतिषेध is done, let us say द्वैत भावश्चेत् प्रतिषिध्यते कथम तर्हि सृष्टि उपदिश्यते. If द्वैत you want to negate, then why you are talking about creation? Shruti should not have talked about creation in the first place. So it is said, Tatraha Tasmat. Before that, one sentence is there. Asticha neha nanasti kinchana ityadihi amnayo dvaita bhava pratishedhartha. Asticha neha nanasti kinchana ityadihi amnaya. This amnaya is there, this Shruti Vakya is there, which says Neha Nanasti Kinchana. Why it is there? To show Dvaita Bhava Pratisheda. Then Purvapakshi says, if Dvaita Bhava Pratisheda was to be done, why did Shruti talk about creation in the first place? Tasmad Atmaikatva Pratipatyartha Kalpita Srishtihi Abhut Eva Prana Samvadavat. Shruti is talked about for Jiva Brahma Aikya, Atmaikatva Pratipatyartha, Kalpita Srishti. Srishti is Kalpita. Kalpita Srishti is talked about for Jiva Brahma Aikya. Like Prana Samvada. Prana Samvada really is not there, but it is talked about for some other purpose. It is called Anya Sheshatvam. Srishti Shruti is Anya Shesha. Mahavakya is Ananya Shesha. Srishti Shruti is Anya Shesha. Mahavakya is Ananya Shesha. Means Mahavakya is for its own sake. Srishti Shruti is for some other sake. Upasana Shruti is for some other sake. Prana Samvada is some other purpose there. It is actually not for Prana Samvada. Prana Samvada is for Prana Upasana. Prana is Jeshtha, Sreshtha. In this way, one should do Prana Upasana. यथा प्राण वैशिष्ट्य दृष्ट्यर्थम प्राण संवादः श्रुतिषु कल्प्यते तथा सृष्टि ही एकत्व प्रतिपत्त्यर्थत्वेन कल्पिता. प्राण वैशिष्ट्य दृष्ट्यर्थम प्राण संवादः श्रुतिषु कल्प्यते. टू शो प्राण वैशिष्ट्य, प्राण संवाद इज शोन इन श्रुति. तथा सृष्टि एकत्व प्रतिपत्त्यर्थत्वेन कल्पिता. जस्ट एज प्राण विशिष्टता इज शोन थ्रू द श्रुति, सृष्टि एकत्व प्रतिपत्त्यर्थत्वेन, एकत्व मीन्स जीव ब्रह्म एकत्व. सृष्टि इज टॉक्ड अबाउट फॉर जीव ब्रह्म ऐक्य, नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. वास्तव्याः सृष्टेः अयोगस्य उपदिष्टत्वात् इत्यर्थः. वास्तविक सृष्टि, वास्तव्याः सृष्टेः अयोगस्य उपदिष्टत्वात्. वास्तविक सृष्टि is अयोग्य, is not possible. वास्तव्याः सृष्टेः अयोगस्य उपदिष्टत्वात्. So what is the upadesha? वास्तविक सृष्टि is actually not possible. कल्पिता सृष्टि ही इति अत्र हेत्वंतरम दर्शयन् द्वितीयं पादम अवतार्य तात्पर्यार्थम आह. कल्पिता सृष्टि इति अत्र, in that हेत्वंतरम दर्शयन्, another hetu is being shown. हेत्वंतरम दर्शयन् द्वितीयं पादम अवतार्य. द्वितीय पाद is given now, इंद्रो मायाभिः. Its तात्पर्य is being shown. इंद्रो मायाभिः इति अपि अभूतार्थ प्रतिपादकेन माया शब्देन सृष्टेः व्यपदेशात्. अभूतार्थ प्रतिपादक, what is the purpose of using the शब्द माया in Shruti? He says it is abhutartha pratipadaka, that which is not there but it appears. To show that, Maya Shabda is used. Maya Shabdena Srishtehe Vyapadeshat. Maya Shabdena Srishtehe Vyapadeshat असौ कल्पितः युक्ता. युक्त इति शेषः. असौ व्यपदेश कल्पित युक्त. This upadesha is talking about kalpanik srishti. That creation is really not possible. See, I will tell you, these kind of vakyas, this topic in general, this ajatavada prakarana, is for whom? Person who is not interested in srishti itself. That person will benefit when that person is told, really there is no creation. Occupied with other problems in day-to-day life. You tell that person, there is no srishti, there is no creation. He will laugh at you, he will ignore you, and he will continue to do whatever he is doing. Why? Because he does not have the ability to grasp this wisdom. So those people who are interested in accomplishing something or the other in this world, and they think that alone is their goal of life, this upadesha is not for them. What will happen to them is, upadesha is available, they will not be able to listen. Prarabdha will be such that upadesha is not available to them. Even if it is available, for them it is not available. Even if Upadesha is available, they are not available. So, this Ajatavada and all is for somebody who doesn't have any other interest. Only they will benefit from this. That's why when it is said, for Mumukshu, Mandukyam Ekameva Alam. What is the objective there? Mandukya one alone is enough for those who are already prepared so much. Those who are not there, they may study Mandukya 10 times and every time they will say the same thing. This is going to be the same. Again, they will say there is no creation. So, such people, they don't deserve any study, teaching. They will go on doing other things only. Like while this talk is going on, somebody is bothering and interrupting constantly. But they are not studying. And they don't want to study, but they also don't want others to study. So, for them, Ajatavada Upadesha is of no use. They will never learn. In Bhashya, Indro Mayabhihi iti api abhutartha pratipadakena maya shabdena srishtehe vyapadeshat. By Maya Shabda, Abhutartha Pratipadaka. That which is not there is revealed by Maya Shabda in this Srishti Upadesha. Abhidhan Granthe Prajnanamasu Pathat Maya Shabdo Mithyartho na bhavati iti shankate. Abhidhana Grantha means Nirukta Nighantau, 4 number tippani. In Nirukta Nighantu, Prajnanamsu. So, by the word Prajna, Ketaha, Ketuhu, Chetaha, Chittam, Kratuhu, Asuhu, Dhihi, Shachi, Maya, Vayunam. All these words are given in 5 number tippani. Abhikhya iti ekadesha prajnanam iti nigantu patha. So, this patha talks about all these different words. So, there Maya also has one meaning called Chittam. Maya also has one meaning called Dhihi. Dhihi means Jnanam, Prajna. So, Purvapakshi says, these are all the names of Prajna. Maya refers to Prajna. Oh, why you are saying Maya means something which is not possible? Maya is not Mithya. Maya means Prajna. In Bhashya, Nanu, Prajna Vachano Maya Shabdaha. Prajna Vachana is Maya Shabdaha. Satyam. Siddhanti accepts. Yes. Here Prajna means Indriya Prajnayaha Avidyamayattvena Mayatva Abhyupagamat Padoshaha. Indriya Prajna Avidyamayattvena. Indriya Prajna is Avidyaka. And therefore, the word Maya is used in this Shruti. Mayatva Abhyupagamat Adosha. There is no dosha, therefore. Means Maya here stands as Avidyaka. Where is the Avidya? Indriya reporting Dvaitam. Indriya recognizing Dvaitam is Avidya. It is not actually there. Maya Shabdasya Prajnanamasu Kvachitkam Patham Angikaroti Satyam. Katham tarhi mithyarthatvam tatraha इंद्रिय प्रज्ञायाः अविद्यामयत्वेन मायात्व अभियोगमात् अदोषः। नहीं माया शब्दिता प्रज्ञा ब्रह्म चैतन्य। हियर प्रज्ञा डज नॉट मीन ब्रह्म चैतन्य. Brahma Chaitanya means, here prajna does not say it is pramanika. Because when we say prajna means the jnanam, and that jnanam is of what kind? Regarding Brahma Chaitanya, he said no, it is not that. We are not referring to that jnanam, which is pramana janya. Why? भूयश्चान्ते विश्व माया निवृत्ति ही इत्यादौ निवृत्ति श्रवणा. At the end of creation, Vishwa Maya Nivritti, whole Maya is eliminated. This is Shweta Shvatar Shruti. So Shweta Shvatar Shruti says, for a Jivan Mukta, this we have seen in Sankshep Shariraka. For Jivan Mukta, first the avidya nivritti happens with avidya lesha remaining, and then bhuyaschante vishwamaya nivritti. This is videha mukti, when entire maya is eliminated. Sarva maya nivritti. Vishwa means sarva. Sarva maya nivritti takes place. Ante, at the end, videha kaivalya kale. निवृत्ति श्रवणा. किंतु असौ इंद्रियजन्या तस्याश्च अविद्या अन्वय व्यतिरेक अनुविधायितया अविद्यामयत्वेन मिथ्यात्वान् माया शब्दस्य मिथ्यार्थत्वे नानुपपत्तिः इत्यर्थः. असौ इंद्रियजन्या, this jnanam of the srishti is born from the indriya. So now we have two sources for srishti. Indriya reporting pratyaksha jnanam, shruti reporting another jnanam. Indriya reporting pratyaksha jnanam, Shruti reporting another jnanam. Shruti says there is no creation. So between the two, we have to take Shruti. Tasyasya avidya anvaya vyatireka anuvidhayitvat. How will you do anvaya vyatireka here? Avidya sattve इंद्रियजन्य द्वैत सत्यम, अविद्या अभावे इंद्रियजन्य द्वैत अभाव. This is अन्वय व्यतिरेक. When avidya is there, then I will give reality to what is reported by sense organs. When avidya is not there, I will not give reality to what is reported by the sense organs. Clear? अविद्यामयत्वेन मिथ्यात्वात् माया शब्दस्य मिथ्यार्थत्वे न अनुपपत्तिः इत्यर्थः. So माया शब्द is used for mithya and there is no anupapatti. It is perfectly valid. तात्पर्यार्थम उक्त्वा तत्रैव अक्षर अनुगुण्यम आह. So तात्पर्य is said. In general, this Indro Mayavihi Pururupayate, that is given. Now, each word is being explained. Tatraiva Akshara Anugunyam Aha. 7 number Tippani says, Tatraiva means Tatparya Vishayi Bhute Arthe. So, first you have to arrive at the Tatparya. Then, keeping Tatparya in mind, you have to do the meaning of the Pada, the meaning of the Vakya. So, Padartha, Vakyartha cannot be out of sequence from the Tatparyartha. Maya bihi. मायाभिः मीन्स इंद्रिय प्रज्ञाभिः अविद्यारूपाभिः इत्यर्थः। पुरुरूपः सन् ईयते, पुरुरूप ईयते, पुरुरूपः सन्, पुरुरूप मीन्स बहुरूप, ईयते इति संबंधः, ईयते बहुरूपो भवति मायाभिः। मायामयी सृष्टिः इति अत्र हेत्वन्तरपरत्वेन तृतीयपादम् अवतारयति। तृतीयपाद वी विल सी टुमारो। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।